Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the GeoSIM is properly inserted and the line is active. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, open your phone settings and go directly to About Phone or SIM Status to view the primary number field. If the number is not shown, make sure mobile data or network service is on, because some devices display SIM details only when registered. Keep an alternate contact or ID ready for verification if the carrier prompts you. You now use the MyGeo app to retrieve the number quickly. Open or install MyGeo, sign in with the Geo number or register using the SIM. If asked, request an OTP to verify the SIM instantly. Once logged in, tap Profile or Account to display your active Geo number and plan details. This is the most reliable method because it reads carrier records. If you used a different login, use the in-app link to switch accounts and confirm the SIM's number. To finish, use carrier options if the app or settings fail. You can dial 1299 or 199 from the Geo SIM for IVR assistance that often reads out the number. Listen carefully. Alternatively, check any SMS from Geo, your last bill, or eKYC documents where the number appears. If none work, visit a Geo store with valid ID and the SIM. They can recover or reassign the number. If problems persist, ask for SIM reactivation or replacement as the troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.